Hello mathematicians and welcome back to Number Corner. Today for Number Corner, we are working on our computational fluency. That's how quickly and easily we can work with numbers. Today we are going to complete our timed quick facts check. When you're working on your quick facts today, remember your Seesaw activity is going to have a lot of pages. Hold up one finger, and I want you to say with me, I only need to do one page. Keep that in your brain, because you'll see a lot of pages. You only need to do one. Remember, to choose the page that you will work on, you need to use your addition table for facts mastery on page 60 of your Number Corner book. To know what addition facts, you still need to practice. If you've mastered all your facts and your whole table is filled in, I'll show you some other pages you could work on today. Remember. After you choose the addition facts you need to work on, you will complete that fact page in Seesaw. You only need to do one quick facts page today. Hold up that one finger again and say with me again, I only need to do one page. Okie dokie, let's have a look at what those pages are today. Now your first 5 pages of this activity are going to be the same as they were last time. You will choose one of the quick facts pages to work on. No, you do not need to do each page. And remember to pick a different set of facts than last time. If you mastered all your facts, you're going to try to work on pages 6, 7, or 8. We'll look at those in just a moment. Remember, we're answering the questions up here on our page after we've timed ourselves doing all of the addition facts in number 1. After you stop your iPad stopwatch, you answer as many of the questions as you can. Then you can complete the subtraction facts. Page 1 is your count on or make 10 facts and make 10 facts. Page 2 is your doubles and doubles plus or minus 1 facts. Page 3 is your add 9 and add 10 facts. Page 4 is your leftover facts. And page 5 is a mixture of all the facts. Choose the page you'd like to work on. Again, if you've mastered all your facts, you could do this page, like this star says, only choose this page if you've mastered all your facts. Or you can challenge yourself a little bit today. Here is a page called 3 by 3 Magic Squares. You need to fill in the numbers 1 to 9 so that each row, column, and diagonal add up to the same number, the magic number. You will have to use all the numbers from 1 to 9 and use them each only once in the magic square. If you've ever seen maybe a Sudoku puzzle, it's kind of like that. Maybe you've seen your parents or an adult working on one of those. It's really similar what you'll do here. If you need to hear the instructions again, push this little speaker to hear the instructions again. If this doesn't look like something you want to try, maybe try true equations. You'll find the numbers for A, B, C, and D that make each equation true. In our example, if A equals D plus 6, A must be the number 7, D must be the number 1. This equation would really say 7 equals 1 plus 6. If you're up to this challenge, Give this page a try, and you can listen to the instructions again if you need to. If neither of those pages seem interesting to you, you can work on Number Tower. In Number Tower, you will fill in the missing numbers on the number tower. You'll have 2 to fill in. You need to find the sum for a square by adding the 2 squares below it together. For example, in this number tower, we know that 4 plus 6 equals 10, 6 plus 7 equals 13, and 10 plus 13 equals 23 to finish this tower. Give these 2 towers a try. Lots of options today in your Seesaw activity, mathematicians. Choose one page and only one page to work on. You can go ahead and get started. Turn this in to show your teacher what you can do when you're all done. And I'll see you next time for Number Corner.